Variable speed and X13 blower motors differ mainly in how they receive and modulate power to control fan speed and responsiveness. Variable speed motors use an electronic motor controller to continuously vary voltage and frequency to the motor so the fan output can be modulated smoothly across a wide range of speeds for precise airflow and improved efficiency. These systems typically draw full line voltage for standby, but require a low voltage control signal of 24 volts, alternating current or direct current from the thermostat or control board to tell the motor what speed to run at and when to start. Best practice is to verify the control signal with a multimeter while the system is calling for heat or cooling, and to inspect wiring for voltage drop and loose terminals because weak control signals produce hunting or failure to start. For X13 motors, the design uses a high starting torque, permanent split capacitor style motor with an onboard electronic module that interprets a simple on or off command plus possibly speed taps. The motor often remains powered at line voltage even when the fan is not turning until the activation signal engages the module. When troubleshooting either type, isolate power first, then confirm that the motor is receiving full line voltage at its supply leads, and then confirm the presence and integrity of the control signal at the motor control input. Replacing a failed module or control relay is a common and effective repair if voltage levels are correct but the motor will not run. Finally, document readings and take photos of wiring and component labels before swapping parts so the exact replacement module or motor can be matched and reinstalled correctly. Common issues are confusing the presence of line voltage with a functional start signal, so people think the motor is dead when it is actually waiting for a 24-volt command. Check for the low voltage control signal and repair thermostat or control board faults. Another frequent problem is failing electronic modules on X13 motors that leave the motor powered but inactive. Replace the module or the motor assembly according to the manufacturer instructions. A third issue is voltage drop from corroded or loose connections causing intermittent operation. Clean and tighten terminals and measure under load to confirm stable voltage. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and read peer discussions about similar motor and control problems. We connect contractors with job opportunities and host a community discussion area where we and other users share practical troubleshooting tips.